I'm going to show you how to use the Megelin, but with the mask. So this is going to be the deep penetration mode, the DP. That is part 2 to my part 1. So go watch part 1. So first, I'm going to apply this very cool mask. Look at all the little different sections in this mask. Can you see that? Okay, that's a very important part of this device, so it will kind of guide you. So with the mask on, I take my Megelin facial device and we're going to turn it on. Okay, it's on, and now I'm going to press it a few times until it gets to the DP mode. All right, we're on the DP mode, and see these grids? You stick it in one of those grids and the device, you can feel it vibrating, and then it will buzz like that, and you go to a new grid. What's this doing? It is adding heat, LED light therapy, and it's penetrating and vibrating this benefit of this mask into my skin. All right, I have all the spots done. All you need to do is wipe it with a gentle cloth. Put the lid back on. So this also has radio frequency, microcurrent, so it has the RF, it has the DA, which is the microcurrent, and then the DP, which is what I just did. My packet came with the mask and the serum to use when I do the microcurrent. All right, I'm going to remove the mask. My skin looks very hydrated and plump. You can use this treatment 3 times a week, and you can do it when you do the DA, but you're not supposed to do the DP with the RF. All these letters, I'm sure I was confusing. Anyways, I will keep you posted on the process or the progress and what I like about it. But so far, I really like the DA mode, which is the microcurrent. And this felt really, really good. My skin needed a boost of hydration, so I feel like that's what I got. And next time I'll try the RF. All right, bye guys.